Hello guys, I am Radhika. Today we are going to learn about some cool, amazing AI tools which will help you boost your e-commerce business. We will learn how you can transform a normal picture of your product into a professional photograph, how you can do online product survey before entering into any business, and how you can design your own fabric materials and packaging materials without doing any costings. If you are eager to learn more about AI, you can join our workshop. Link is in the description.
This Diwali, skyrocket your career by learning AI tools and ChatGPT. I'm going to teach you that. Click on the link below and sign up for the workshop.
First tool that we are going to explore is Flare.ai. This tool will help you convert a normal picture of your product into a professional photograph. Here you get two options. First, normal any product or any fashion product, that means clothes. For example, I am first editing a product photograph. For instance, I am using this lotions image. As you can see, we just have to upload our product's photo with any background. It automatically removes the background, and then we have to describe the packaging of the product. That means whether it's a bottle, bow, soda can or anything, we just have to write the name so that AI can detect how much to cut. Next, there are some pre-generated backgrounds in the left corner of our screen. We can select any background from there. Then we can go to editor section and we can edit anything like, for example, this lotion is sitting on a stone. We can change the stone and we can write lotus or leaf. And in the background, if there are mountains, we can change it and write trees. You get my point, right? If we don't like anything from the pre-existing image, we can write our own prompt from the very beginning. I did some editing in the pre-existing prompts, and here is what Flare made for me. Can you imagine how much time, effort and money it saved for me? I am sure that you must have heard that doing smart work is better than doing hard work. It gives us better result. That's what AI can do for us. It helps us do smart work. B10X understands the need of AI in today's world. That's why we have come up with a 3-hour workshop in which we will teach you all about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Guys, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs. Millions of jobs has been replaced by AI and what not. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave, right? Well, AI won't replace you, but the person using AI will. If you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, consider joining our 3-hour workshop. Make your future secure with us. You can join our workshop by clicking in the link in the description box below. Let's now move on to the second feature of Flare.ai, which is fashion products. Here, first I will select a picture of a cloth as my product. It is telling me to describe the cloth. I am writing pink top, and then we have to select the sleeve type. For that I am selecting no sleeves. As you can see in the left panel of the screen, I get a lot of model options with different poses. Right panel gives me the preview of how the model will look after wearing my cloth. We can select which pose looks best for our cloth. I am choosing this pose for instance. Now, my next step will be to correct any small mistakes that has occurred in this image. Can you notice this part of the neckline came defectively? What I will do is, I will erase all the extra part that has occurred in the image. After erasing the extra part, I will again click to fit and here you go. It got edited. I also changed the pose here. Now your model is all set. What we will do next is we will write a prompt of the background where we want our model to stand. I entered that I want my model to stand in front of a city background. And here you go. It looks so real. Flare.ai changed both my product's photo into a professional photo shoots. Moving on to our next AI tool, which is Pattern.ai. This tool helps you create royalty free pattern which is in your mind. You don't have to go through that long procedures of going to a printers, explaining them your vision and run so many hit and trial methods. You just have to write what you want and you will get it through this AI. The right panel of the screen has a pre-written prompt suggested by this AI, for example. But for now, I am explaining my vision to this AI. I am writing that I want red roses with petals with a pink background. In the purple text, you can see there is advanced option. You can do all the favorable edits and then here you go. It created a pattern just like I wanted. You just have to choose your prompts correctly. You can even create your packaging materials with the help of this AI. This is a real time saver. Now moving on to our next AI, which is Helium 10. This is one of my favorite AI which comes to rescue when it comes to market analysis. Basically, it is a Chrome extension which helps us to do product analysis in Amazon. Let me show you a demo. Go to Tools and then select Black Box. Here I am searching for products. I am selecting my country and then the product I want to search. There are many blanks as you can see. You can fill all those blanks according to your specifications. For instance, I have searched for clothes. As you can see here, we get a lot of information like monthly sales, monthly revenue, brand, last year sales, and many more. You just need to explore it. This tool will give you an overall view of how your product will be working on Amazon Market. This is a very vast tool which deserves an individual video. If you want so, please comment and tell me. I will make one. Also comment down if you have any doubt. If you want to learn about more AI tools, you can join through the link in the description box. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more such interesting videos. I will see you in my next video. All the best.